Hey there, crypto crew. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sash from CRYPTOLOGIC, and today we're diving into the wild world of Bitcoin right here in Melbourne, Australia, as of August 1st, 2025. If you're wondering what's up with Bitcoin, well, why Melbourne is going nuts for it, and how you can get on the action, you're in the right place. This is going to be a deep dive, so grab a piccolo, settle in, and let's talk crypto. Oh, and all prices are in Aussie dollars, because who's got time for conversions, right? Look around Melbourne. It's not just about laneways and footy. It's Australia's crypto capital, and Bitcoin's still in the show. From ATMs popping in Footscray to court rulings that could save you thousands in taxes. There's so much to unpack. Plus, we'll tie in the global Bitcoin frenzy and what it means for your wallet. Ready? Let's do this. So, let's start local. Melbourne's crypto scene is on fire. First up, Bitcoin's ATMs. Bloomberg says Australia is the fastest growing market for these bad boys. And Melbourne's got heaps. CBD, Southbank, you name it. Over 1,000 ATMs nationwide that you swap cash for Bitcoin. Today's price, 183,319.87 per Bitcoin. According to Coinbase Australia, you could grab a tiny slice like 0.00546 Bitcoin with $1,000. But heads up, scams are real. The Feds say Aussies lost 3.1 million Australian dollars to dodgy ATMs last year. So stick to legit operators and check your wallet address twice. Next, trading platforms. Melbourne's home to heavyweights like Independent Reserve and SwiftX. I've got a funny one for SwiftX. For some reason I was calling it SwiftFX. Don't ask me why, but I just went with it. It just felt right, SwiftFX. I'm sorry, SwiftX. It is SwiftX. Swift's boss, John Titman, told Cointelegraph that Melburnians are trading BTC in Australian dollars pairs like crazy. Back in April, Independent Reserve and Bitcoin at 163.25.41. Now it's up 12.5%. That's a tidy profit for early birds. And last year, OKX added Australian dollar trading books so you can buy Bitcoin without those pesky US dollar fees. I know. More money in your pocket, right? Now, the big one. Regulation. In May 2025, a court ruled Bitcoins like Aussie currency. Not an investment, meaning it could be exempt from capital gains tax. Imagine buying one Bitcoin at $50,000 in 2023, selling it today for $183,319.87 and keeping the $133,319.87 profit tax free. The case came from a dodgy ex-cop stealing 81.6 Bitcoins. Now, it's got Melbourne's investors hyped. The catch? The ATO still says crypto is taxable, so don't bin your receipts yet. If this ruling sticks, Melbourne could be a crypto tax haven. Stay tuned. Oh, and the institutions are all jumping in. Monochrome's Bitcoin ETF, launched in 2024, is now worth $500 million. Even AMP's Shane Oliver, who manages billions in super, told ABC News they've got a small Bitcoin stake. For you SMSF folks, picture this. 5% of a $1 million super fund in Bitcoin could net $66,659.94 if Bitcoin hits $250,000 by Christmas, as some predict. Wowzies. Not bad, eh? And don't sleep on the community. Melbourne's Bitcoin meetup group has 2,000 members, chilling at Fed Square or Collingwood co-working spots. The Blockchain Australia conference hits town this month, perfect for networking. Plus, Aramoto is pumping out blockchain grads, so Melbourne's crypto future is bright. Zooming out, Australia's crypto market is massive. Expert market research says it's worth 82.59 billion, set to hit 228.25 billion by 2034. Bitcoin's half that high. But with the Aussie dollar wobbling, Commonwealth Bank says it tanked to 0.62 last year. Bitcoin's a solid hedge. A $10,000 in January 2024 bought 0.104 Bitcoin at 96,153.85. Today, that's 19,078.57. Compare that to ASX 200, down 0.1% in July. Bitcoin is killing it. Sustainability is big too. Aussie miners are going green, using solar and wind for Bitcoin mining. Melbourne's eco vibe loves this, supporting crypto without trashing the planet. Quantum blockchains testing AI mining here, which could mean cheaper, cleaner Bitcoin. But guys, watch out for scams. Aussies lost 221 million to crypto cons in 2023, and Melbourne's at a target. Use hardware wallets. I got my ledger for $149 at JB Hi-Fi and turn two-factor authentication on. Austrac's cracking down, so crooks are on notice. Now, let's get global. Bitcoin's on a tear, hitting 122,979.87 in July and sitting at 319.87 today. Finders expert say it'll reach 227,626.22 by year end. Maybe 391 for 849.53 if the bulls are right. By 2035, try $1.6 million for a Bitcoin. A $10,000 today by 0.546 Bitcoin could be 300.72 in a decade. You doing the math? Why the surge? The US is going all in. Donald Trump's pro-crypto and finders say the US government's hoarding Bitcoin. That's huge for Melbourne investors. More adoption, less volatility. El Salvador's using Bitcoin as cash, and while Australia is not there yet, it's sparking ideas. Technically, Bitcoin is a beast. City Index says it smashed a bullish flag in 2024. And MyTrade's Dr. Profit predicts 231.54 soon, thanks to M2 money supply growing 2.3%. Melbourne traders buy dips around 156.862.27, but set stop losses. Bitcoin is wild. One worry: quantum computing. Finders panel says it could crack Bitcoin's code in 5 to 10 years, and 46% think we're not ready. But Melbourne's RMIT is working on quantum resistant tech, so we are covered long term. Oh, and volatility is real. Bitcoin dropped below 181,146.82 after Fed boss Jerome Powell's rate hike talk with 312 million in liquidations. Melbourne HODLers keep crypto 5 to 10% of your portfolio and dollar cost average to smooth the ride. So, what's the play? If that CGT exemption sticks, Melbourne could be a crypto hot spot. Local startups in Richmond are cooking up DeFi and NTFs. Get in early. Global stuff like Trump's trade moves could push Bitcoin higher, but Fed hikes might mean dips. Buy those if you're in for the long haul. Practical tips, not a financial advice, but just some tips. 1. Start small, $100 a month on Swift X or Independent Reserve. 2. Grab a Ledger Nano S Plus for $149. 3. Learn up. Hit RMIT's blockchain courses or Blockchain Australia Conference. And 4. Join Bitcoin AUS or local meetups to vibe with the community. And that's the Bitcoin scoop for Melbourne in 2025. From ATMs to ETFs to tax breaks, we're in the thick of it. Globally, Bitcoin is charging towards 391,849.53 or more. And Melbourne's riding the wave. Stay smart, stay safe, and let's keep hodling. Drop a comment. What's your Bitcoin strategy? Smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, Melbourne. Oh, and don't forget to visit us at www.cryptologic.com.au. Thanks, guys. See you soon.